Along the Essequibo coast of Guyana, a new wave of energy leadership is emerging. Through the GuySol Solar Energy Apprenticeship Program, women from diverse backgrounds, including teen participants, mothers, and respected community leaders, are gaining access to skills that were once out of reach. With the steady guidance of their instructor, Mr. Gregorry, these women have progressed from foundational theory to practical fieldwork, mastering solar installation techniques and building confidence through hands-on application.
I must say I'm very proud to be a part of this apprenticeship program.
I'm happy to be in this program. I've learned how to set up a solar system,
installing PV modules.
Con todo lo que aprendí, puede ser beneficio para mi país.
This system does not destroy nation anyway.
I would like to encourage women of all ages
to come on board, become curious, learn something,
to develop themselves.
I would give a special thank you to Sir Gregorry Francia.
I want to say thanks to him for having patience with us.
He has done a wonderful job so far. He has break down every step-by-step information I need. Thank you so much.
The females in this field are extremely supportive, and we would like to thank GSI organization for this opportunity as a young woman, also for the older generation, because we all would like to see a better Guyana.
A pivotal moment in their training was a visit to the expansive Onderneming Solar Farm.
Welcome to Onderneming Solar Farm, Region 2.
Women in Solar!
This initiative is doing more than just building technical capacity. It's expanding pathways, breaking barriers, and preparing women to lead within the renewable energy sector, equipped not only with skills, but with a renewed sense of purpose. They are not simply participating in a program. They are shaping their future and helping to power a more inclusive energy landscape for generations to come.